Guys, I ain't got nothing really to talk about. All I know is it's raining. I got an umbrella here. Look at it. You might not be able to see it, but it's there. You can probably hear it. But what I want to show you is the dogs are hunting rats in the field. I don't know if they're catching them or anything, but they sure are hunting them. Look. So yeah. Y'all go check out Roman. Well, smile more. Oh my gosh. Roman something vlogs. He does all these kind of vlogs and stuff. Pretty cool. And go to check out Coyote Peterson. Phone got wet. Check out Coyote Peterson. He's pretty cool too. He does all these different kind of ways to show you how to remove the venom. See, kind of rainy, huh? You don't see it at all. Camera's not even picking it up. Hold on, guys. I gotta wipe the screen real quick. So if y'all could just hold on. Now I'll pause. Okay, it's a little bit better. Yeah, as you can see, the storm is just now starting to come. But the storm brought a visitor. See it? Right. The big old thing right there. I can't point to it. The big old thing. The big thing. Yeah, and then it also brought in this truck bed. I don't know whose truck bed is it from. And the forts that me and my brother has built is going to waste. And yeah, that's the two forts. That's mine right there. And then there's my brother's. I really just don't have anything to say. If y'all still watching right now, I really do appreciate it. I get under this tree. No water. Water. Yeah, so yeah, just leave in the comments what y'all want me to make a new video about and whatever. I don't care what it's about. Just, I don't want to do a slap yourself 1,000,000 times or 1,000 times in one video. I don't want to do that. Comment anything what y'all want me to do, and I'll see you next time. Take flight.